Hi, my name is Ryan, and in this video we'll be creating this smooth scrolling effect in pure CSS. So let's get started. In my HTML file I have a nav element, and inside this nav element I've added 3 anchor tags, and each of the anchor tag will be the navigation item. At the bottom I've added a development with the class of container, and inside this development I've added 3 sections, and each of this section has an ID. Now we need to link these IDs to the anchor tags above, so let's do that. For the first anchor tag I'll add the ID of section 1. The second anchor tag gets the ID of section 2, and the third anchor tag gets the ID of section 3. Now let's go to a CSS file and start adding some styles. Here I've already added a basic reset, and let's give the container class a height of 100 VH. Next, let's start styling the nav element. I'll give it a background of salmon. I'll give it a width of 100%. I'll align the text to the center. I'll give it a padding of 20 pixels, and I'll give it a position of fixed. Now let's style the anchor tag within the nav element. I'll set the text decoration to none. I'll set the text transform to uppercase. I'll choose the font family of Helvetica. Let's set the font weight to bold. We'll give it a color of white, and finally let's add in some margin to the left, let's say of 2 EM. Now let's give all the sections a height and a width. So I'll select all the 3 IDs, section 1, section 2 and section 3, and I'll give it a height of 100 VH and a width of 100%. Next, let's give each of these sections a separate color. For the section 1, I'll give a background color of yellow. For the second section, I'll give a background color of orange, and for the third section I'll choose a background color of green. Let's have a look in the browser. If you click on these links above, it will take you to the corresponding section. However, the scrolling is not smooth. Now in order to add the smooth scrolling, we need to add in just 2 properties to the container class. So let's do that. I'll set the overflow on the y-axis to scroll, and the final property we need to use is the scroll behavior, which is going to add the smooth scrolling to our page. So let's do that. I'll say scroll behavior and set its value to smooth. Now if we check in our browser, we've added a smooth scrolling effect, and that is quite simple. Let me maximize the browser. Now if you see, we have added this smooth scrolling effect, and we've added no JavaScript. It is all with pure CSS. So hope you liked the video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, have a nice day.